Get ready to witness some of the most incredible scrap processing machines on the planet in this video. Amazing scrap processing machines you must see. These engineering marvels are built to handle massive amounts of metal, plastics, and industrial waste with precision, power, and efficiency that will blow your mind. From towering shredders to automated sorters and crushers, every machine here showcases cutting-edge technology designed to transform scrap into reusable materials. Whether you're fascinated by heavy machinery, recycling innovations, or just love seeing raw industrial power in action, this video is packed with jaw-dropping machines you won't believe exist. LEFORT Lidex 1300T. The LEFORT Lidex 1300T is one of the most powerful scrap processing machines ever created. Part of LEFORT's Lidex range, this side compression shear is designed to handle heavy, bulky metal scrap with 1300 tons of cutting force, making it perfect for high-production recycling environments. Its fully automatic cycle moves scrap from the preload table into the compression box and performs the cutting process with minimal operator input, increasing productivity and reducing operational costs. The machine's high-amplitude lid and advanced preload system allow for efficient compaction, shorter cycle times, and the ability to handle large, irregular scrap loads with ease. Suitable for scrapyards and industrial recycling facilities, it can process both ferrous and non-ferrous metals at impressive throughput rates. The combination of automation strength and smart engineering enables the Lidex 1300T to transform massive scrap materials into compact, manageable forms efficiently and reliably, making it an essential solution for modern metal recycling operations. CM Shredders H250. The CM Shredders H250 is an industrial powerhouse featured in amazing scrap processing machines you must see, designed to tackle the toughest waste materials, from truck and OTR tires to pallets, drums, and mixed solid waste. This heavy-duty hybrid dual-shaft shredder combines raw power with precision, featuring a wide feed opening and a 250 horsepower motor that effortlessly processes bulky items. Its hybrid knife system allows operators to use traditional knives or CM's patented multi-stack and double-stack replaceable knife inserts made of through-hardened tool steel, which are durable and can be reshaped multiple times, reducing downtime and operational costs. Advanced bearing protection keeps bearings outside the shredding chamber, extending service life even under extreme conditions. Built for heavy tire recycling and converting bulky scrap into manageable pieces, the H250 delivers reliable industrial performance directly from the manufacturer's specifications, making it a crucial asset for modern recycling facilities. Its design reflects both efficiency and longevity in high-demand shredding operations. WEIMA W5.18 Shredder. The WEIMA W5.18 shredder is a German-engineered industrial single-shaft machine designed to efficiently process large volumes of plastics, films, fibers, cardboard, and other tough materials. Its 500mm diameter rotor, 1,800mm long, provides powerful shredding capability, while the universal V-rotor design makes even large lumps and hollow objects easy to handle. The innovative swing ram ensures smooth and consistent material feed into the cutting chamber, improving overall throughput. Operation is simplified with a Siemens PLC control system and a large touch panel, allowing centralized management of the shredder and connected peripherals like conveyors and separators. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to a hydraulically opened inspection flap and adjustable counter knives that maintain precise cutting gaps. A hydraulically lift-up screen basket allows customization of output size. With power options ranging from 90 to 280 kilowatt and up to 188 cutting knives, the W5.18 offers reliable, flexible, and high-performance shredding for modern recycling and scrap processing facilities. SSI E-Scrap SR600. The SSI Unishear SR600 is a heavy-duty single-rotor industrial shredder built by SSI Shredding Systems to handle tough materials like electronic scrap, plastics, tire chips, and combustible waste. Its 575mm rotor with an inline direct drive delivers high torque for effective size reduction. Adjustable reusable anvils and multi-use cutters can be rotated multiple times before replacement, extending service intervals and lowering operating costs. Removable screens allow operators to select particle sizes for efficient downstream processing. The SR600 features SSI's Severe Shock Protection System, which protects the drivetrain from unexpected overloads, enhancing durability and uptime. Easy-to-open panels and tool-free access to the cutting chamber simplify maintenance and cleaning. With the ability to process several tons per hour depending on configuration, the SR600 offers reliable, high-capacity performance for industrial recycling facilities. Enerpat Large Metal Chip Briquetting. The Enerpat large metal chip briquetting machine is a heavy-duty industrial briquetter designed to convert loose metal chips into dense, uniform briquettes using advanced hydraulic compression. Built for high-volume metal recycling, it handles swarf, shavings, and turnings from machining and manufacturing processes efficiently. Enerpat's BMC series machines offer compression forces from 300 to 2,000 tons, and output capacities ranging from 1 to 40 tons per hour, depending on the model. They compress metals like iron, aluminum, stainless steel, copper, and titanium while separating cutting fluids for recovery, improving environmental compliance and reducing waste. Automated hydraulic and electrical controls streamline operation, and the resulting briquettes are easier to handle, transport, and remelt. With official CE and ISO certifications and a global service network, Enerpat briquetting machines provide reliable, high-capacity performance that maximizes recycling efficiency, recovers valuable oil, and optimizes space in industrial facilities. HSM VK4812V. The HSM VK4812V is a fully automatic channel baling press designed for continuous industrial use in recycling and material handling. It efficiently compresses light to medium density materials such as paper, cardboard, plastics, textile fibers, and punchings into dense, transport-ready bales. Equipped for integration with automated production lines, it works seamlessly with conveyor belts, air feed systems, or similar loading setups. The machine features a large loading aperture for bulky inputs and a Siemens PLC controller with touchscreen for easy operation, diagnostics, and service. Capable of handling bulk materials up to about 60 kilograms per cubic meters, it delivers high compression and heavy bale weights while maintaining a compact footprint. Ideal for manufacturing, printing, distribution centers, and recycling facilities, the VK4812V provides efficient waste volume reduction, high throughput performance, and reliable automated operation, making it a versatile solution for modern industrial baling needs. ERS Car Fluff Recycling. The ERS Car Fluff Recycling system from Engineered Recycling Systems is designed to process automotive shredder residue, commonly known as car fluff, which consists of plastics, rubber, textiles, foam, and residual metals left after shredding end-of-life vehicles. These compact modular systems recover valuable metals like aluminum and copper from mixed fluff waste with high purity separation, reducing landfill volumes and boosting resale value. Starting at capacities around 500 kilograms, the lines are cost-effective and space-efficient, making ASR processing accessible for a range of recycling facilities. ERS emphasizes environmentally friendly and efficient recovery, allowing even challenging materials to be processed with minimal impact. The modular design enables recyclers to scale or adapt the system to their specific needs, supporting sustainable recovery of metals from automotive and electronic waste. Official ERS data confirms these systems provide practical, high-performance solutions for modern recycling operations while increasing profitability and resource efficiency. TANA Raven X 550T. The TANA Raven X 550T is an advanced industrial disc screen designed for high-capacity sorting and separation in waste and recycling streams. Its modular screening deck features 4 interchangeable modules, allowing operators to switch between 2 or 3 fraction separation for different material sizes. The lightweight injection molded discs reduce noise, wear, and maintenance costs while maintaining efficiency, and the patented anti-wrapping design prevents material entanglement around the discs. The machine is equipped with the TANA control system with touchscreen interface and programmable material-specific settings, as well as TANA Connect for real-time monitoring, production dashboards, and maintenance support. Adjustable screening angles, customizable conveyors, and a large 4 cubic meters hopper provide versatility for applications including waste wood, construction and demolition, municipal solid waste, and other recycling lines. According to official TANA data, the Raven X 550T combines high performance, adaptability, and digital integration for modern, efficient recycling operations. STEINERT PLASMAX. The STEINERT PLASMAX LIBS is a high-precision aluminium alloy sorting system designed for advanced metal recycling. Using STEINERT's KSS sensor platform and laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy, it analyzes the exact chemical composition of aluminium scrap, enabling accurate separation of visually similar alloys with different metallurgical values. Material is evenly fed through a multi-stage conveyor, where 3D detection and multi-spot laser analysis generate plasma on each piece. AI-supported software evaluates the light emissions to classify alloys precisely, and targeted air jets sort items into up to 3 output streams simultaneously. The system can handle up to 11 tons per hour and achieves over 95% purity, producing aluminium ready for immediate use in melting or manufacturing processes. Its compact design allows integration into existing recycling plants, making the PLASMAX libs a highly efficient and reliable solution for modern aluminium recycling operations. UNTHA's XR Shredder. The UNTHA XR Shredder is a high-performance industrial single-shaft machine designed for heavy-duty waste and recycling applications. Its slow-speed, high-torque shredding efficiently processes municipal solid waste, construction debris, tires, metal scrap, and industrial residues. The single-stage design produces consistent end product sizes in a single pass, making it suitable for refuse-derived fuel, solid recovered fuel, and homogeneous shredding fractions ranging from 25mm to 300mm, depending on the screen. Throughput can reach up to 70 tons per hour with the right rotor, cutters, and screens. The XR features the UNTHA Eco Power Drive, an electromechanical system that reduces energy costs, minimizes wear, and ensures quieter operation. Both stationary XR models and the mobile XR Mobile E variant with a crawler undercarriage provide flexibility for on-site use. Official UNTHA data show this shredder delivers reliable, energy-efficient, and high-capacity performance for modern recycling and RDF and SRF production operations. SOLLAU Automated Line ECS-E. The SOLLAU Automated Line ECS-E is an industrial sorting and separation system designed to recover valuable metals, plastics, and other recyclables from mixed waste streams. Built by SOLLAU SRO, it uses conveyors, overband magnets, and ECS-E eddy current separators to efficiently separate ferrous and non-ferrous metals, including aluminum and copper. A vibrating feeder spreads material evenly across the belt for optimal separation, while PLC-controlled systems manage operations and allow sorting into multiple fractions. The line can also separate plastics by color using NIR spectrophotometers and produce a light fraction suitable for solid alternative fuel production. Designed for adaptability to various waste volumes, it achieves high separation efficiency of around 95% or more. According to official SOLLAU data, the ECS-E automated line provides a reliable, high-throughput recycling solution, producing distinct, high-quality material streams that support efficient recycling, resource recovery, and sustainable waste management operations. Metso's Outotec eScrap solution. Metso's Outotec eScrap solution is a comprehensive electronic waste recycling system designed to recover valuable metals from WEEE, including printed circuit boards and discarded electronics containing copper, gold, and other precious metals. Using advanced smelting, refining, hydrometallurgy, and gas cleaning technologies, the system transforms complex e-scrap into refined metal products while maintaining environmental compliance. Key technologies include Caldo TBRC, Ausmelt TSL, electro-refining, electro-winning, and process water recycling, all optimized for high recovery rates and energy efficiency. Automated operations ensure stable performance, reduced emissions, and minimal energy use, while pilot testing and process modeling support smooth ramp-up and reliable throughput. Official Metso Outotec data confirm that the eScrap solution combines efficiency, profitability, and environmental responsibility, making it a leading choice for modern electronic waste recycling facilities seeking to recover metals safely, effectively, and in an environmentally sustainable manner. Lindemann EtaCut II 1648. The Lindemann EtaCut II 1648 is a heavy-duty scrap metal shear designed for industrial scrap processing in recycling plants, steel mills, and scrap yards. Part of the EtaCut II series, it delivers high throughput, energy efficiency, and low life cycle costs. Combining side compression and shear cutting, it compresses bulky metal scrap and produces precise, manageable pieces for further processing or melting. The 1648 model provides up to 1,600 tons of shearing force with blade widths up to 1,500 mm, handling heavy materials such as structural steel, car bodies, and mixed metal bundles. It can process up to approximately 80 to 87 tons per hour, depending on configuration. Built with 400-bar high-pressure hydraulics and durable components, the shear improves energy use and reliability. Features like bolted wear plates, automatic operation, and remote control enhance maintenance, productivity, and safety. Official Lindemann data confirm its suitability for efficient, high-capacity metal recycling and scrap size reduction. HYSAN Giant Plus. The HYSAN Giant Plus is a heavy-duty hydraulic triple compression scrap baling press designed to compress large volumes of scrap metal and recyclable materials into dense transport-ready bales. Part of HYSAN Baler's industrial recycling lineup, It handles metals like iron, steel, aluminum, and mixed recycling streams efficiently. Its triple compression system presses materials from lengthwise, sideways, and vertically, producing exceptionally dense and stable bales that improve logistics and reduce storage and transport costs. The Giant Plus delivers around 180 tons of hydraulic press force, making it one of the stronger models in HYSAN's range. Automated PLC controls manage cycling, safety interlocks, and bale ejection for efficient operation. Built with sturdy welded steel frames and robust hydraulic systems, the HYSAN Giant Plus reduces waste volume, increases bale density, and supports high-volume recycling workflows, providing reliable industrial-scale performance in scrap processing and material handling operations. TOMRA Cirrec X. The TOMRA Cirrec X is a collaboration between TOMRA Recycling and Cirrec to provide industrial-scale post-consumer PET tray-to-tray recycling solutions. Using advanced sensor-based optical sorting technology, the system separates mixed and contaminated PET flakes into high-purity streams suitable for food-grade reuse. At Cirrec's facility in the Netherlands, InnoSort Flake and AutoSort Flake units sort shredded PET by polymer type and color, remove unwanted materials like metals and other polymers, and achieve purity levels needed for new food packaging. After integrating TOMRA's technology, Cirrec significantly increased its processing output and reliably produces high-purity food-grade PET flakes, which are processed into pellets used for manufacturing new trays with a high proportion of recycled material. This partnership enhances circularity, keeps high-quality material in the production loop, and supports sustainable packaging solutions. Official TOMRA data confirm that the Cirrec X integration improves efficiency, purity, and throughput for modern PET recycling operations. Forrec WEEE. The Forrec WEEE recycling system is an industrial-scale solution from Forrec SPA, designed for processing waste electrical and electronic equipment, including old electronics and appliances. The process starts with manual sorting to ensure only suitable material enters the system. Special blade shredders then open electronics, from small gadgets to large appliances, without damaging valuable components. Coarse sizing and separation sort bulkier parts like cables, circuit boards, and motors, followed by automated reduction to a uniform approximately 30 mm particle size for efficient downstream processing. The output is separated into ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals like copper and aluminum, and plastics, enabling high-value material recovery. The system uses low-speed shredders, soundproofing, and suction to control noise and dust while maximizing recovery. Official Forrec data show that this solution optimizes e-waste management, reduces environmental impact, and provides a reliable industrial-scale approach for recycling metals and plastics from complex electronic waste streams.